Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Ghousia Nalli Biryani. I'm so excited. These guys are pretty friendly. Check it out. Oh, look at that. Daniel. Oh yeah, we're gonna try it out. So, our plate of Nalli Biryani has arrived. Nalli basically means bone marrow. So bone marrow just tastes awesome, right? And there's chunks of beef as well. So let's check this out. The biryani, and you can see the masala and all that.
And the beef also.
Wow, chunks of beef and masala, and this is the real thing here. Check it out.
You already see it.
Oh yeah, feel it?
I can't see.
Yeah, there are 6 Nallis over here.
8.
Amazing, amazing. Alright, there's more. Let's see what they have here. Check it out. Very biryani, more biryani. This is the company. This is not sponsored, so I'm not expecting free food here. But seriously, I really hope this tastes good. You can check out the beef and all that. All right. Right behind me here is actually trying to take out all the nalli, the bone marrow. It's actually more than I expected. It's huge chunks of bone marrow. Check it out. It's huge, right, Aris? Let me have a stab at this biryani. Check out all that beef. It's actually very hot and fresh. A little bit of masala. Amazing. It's just the way I like it. It doesn't have that yogurt tangy taste. So I like this biryani actually. It's like it's made for me. And you have the beef fat melting inside. Oh, amazing. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try out the bone marrow. Wow. Great. But I have to admit, I think the bone marrow, not every single part of it is flavorful. If I'm not wrong, some of them is a bit less flavorful than the others. Right. Depending on the chunk that you get, some of them actually taste pretty good. Oh yeah, this one's it. I have to say this has been the best biryani experience so far in Karachi. I'm loving it. Alright, I've just done eating the Nalli biryani. I haven't eaten a lot of biryani at one go in quite a while. It's really an amazing, a fulfilling experience. So the biryani is basically a little bit oily. I wouldn't say it's the healthiest, but seriously, if you want real good food, you can eat it once in a while, guilt-free. There's no issues with that. The bone marrow is a bit of a hit and miss, I'd say, but it does give you a light, unique flavor to that biryani. And the beef and the masala is what makes the whole biryani really perfect, in my opinion. Oh dear, the burps. So it doesn't have any of those tangy tastes, which I don't really like in biryani. Usually some people like to put yogurt when they cook the biryani, it gives you a little bit of a tanginess feel to it. Not a big fan of that, and this biryani doesn't have that. It's just basically it's just a really perfect beef biryani with an added bonus of bone marrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this food bit in Karachi. If you guys come home to Karachi, I'd say this is one of the top things that you have to try out. I'll leave the descriptions of this place down below, so don't forget to check that out.
काशिफ भाई Ghousia Biryani
सही है
सवा किलो किसके बिरयानी मेरा माशाल्लाह आधे किलो काशिफ भाई सवा किलो हो गई
Alright guys, now I'm here at another spot. This place is called the Quetta Sajji house. And I'm here to try out the mutton sajji. I'm not really sure what to expect. So a friend of mine recommended this mutton sajji, so that will be the focus of this meal. And we'll see what else we can get. So they do have a lot of those standard items like the handi, the katakat and the barbecue, all the other barbecue stuff. So yeah, let's see what else we order. We haven't decided yet. Yeah. So, alright, the mutton sajji has arrived. So I think it's cooked in a pretty dried fashion. This is dried meat. It's kind of crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Look at it. Oh. And they put some chaat masala on top, I guess. It's not bad. Just need some sauce. I'll definitely need that chili sauce. I'm not sure if I can eat it with roti. I'm just gonna eat it just like that. So now we've got this grilled fish. Look at it. It looks so fresh. And then in some pieces of they call it a finger fish as well. Let's try this. Oh. The masala is epic. The masala of this fish. So it's really soft, right? Okay, now let me try the main fish. Oh, look at this. Oh. Well, it's freshly prepared, and the best thing I like about this is the masala. It is a bit spicy, but it really, it's very extremely flavorful. I love it. You don't need any sauce for this one, bro.